Hello guys, this is Bill with Money for Coffee. I'm going to show you today how to edit a landing page on GetResponse. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, I'll have a link below to GetResponse. If you don't have an account, it's completely free. You don't need any payment method. So you can go on to GetResponse and sign up if you don't have an account. Like I said, it's real easy. When you first come on here, there'll just be a thing at the top where you can sign up. So just click on that. Okay. Then after you sign up for an account, you just give your name and email, and I think they'll send you a link and you verify it. So it's real easy. And like I said, I'll have a link below the video. Okay, so then after that, once you got an account, you sign up. You come over here and you click Tools. Okay, and you come down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always count this wrong because I don't count contacts for some reason, but it's 5 if you count contacts. You come to Landing Pages. You just click on it. And since this video is just about how to edit a landing page on GetResponse, I'm not going to show you how to build one. I'll just show you how to edit it. Okay, so here's a landing page that I already have. So it's right here. You just go down to whatever one you have. And with the free version, you're allowed one landing page, one website, and 500 contacts. Okay, so you just come down here and you go to right over here and you hit Edit Page. So you go to these, on the right, you go to these 3 little dots. And you just hover over it and then go up and hit Edit Page. Okay, takes a few seconds to load. Maybe more than a few seconds, but okay. So here's the page that I made. To edit this, to edit any of the text, you just click on it, or double click in it, and then you can just go in here, just right inside here, and type. So it's what you see is what you get. And then you can come over here, this little box will pop up. You can change the font. You can change the size right here. And then you can change the color. So, and just hit OK. That's pretty easy. You can highlight it and then bold it. Like I said, just to get to where you can edit it, the text, just double click on it. Like I said, it pulls up this block. I don't think you can bold this font, but you can bold some of the font, bold it. You can do all these different things. You can align it. You can add a link. To add a link, you would just highlight it and then click on the link. And then you just put the link URL right here. So it's pretty easy. But like I said, to change the text, you just double click on it, and then this box comes up, and just change any of these things right here. So that's easy. The same one with this. You do the same thing here. The box comes up. You can change the font size, the color, and all these things. You can add the bold. You can align it. You can add bullet points, numbers. You can put a link, and you can also do the shadow. Okay. Same with the next text. And then this is an image. So to change the image, you just click on it. And then after you click on it, you go to this little image looking icon. And you click on that. And then if you wanted to change the image, you would just go, you would either add files from your computer, which is easy, or if you have something already you want to change it to, you would just click on Use, and there it is, it's right there. And then you can adjust the size with these little squares. And you can also move it around. Okay, so that's pretty easy to do. Okay, and then as far as, and I'll show you this too. Let's just delete this. To delete anything, like if you wanted to delete this, you just click on the trash can. Okay, so we'll just delete this. We'll delete. We'll delete this whole thing. It's all one piece, so we'll delete it all. Okay, now you come over here to the right, and you can put anything you want onto the landing page. Okay, you can grab any of these items. This right here is a section, so if you want to add a new section, this would be the shopping cart, and this would be text. So if you want to add text here, then you can also just click on this and duplicate it. So there you have two. So you just click on that plus sign and duplicate it. And anything you want to get rid of, you just hit the trash can. And then also, if you make a mistake, you just hit undo up here. So undo, 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 undo. The text is gone. So if you deleted a video or anything, you hit undo. And then if you're like, no, I meant to do it, you just go to the right and hit redo. So this is undo to the left, right near the logo, and to the right is redo. Okay, you can bring another image over. Then that's the same thing. You would just hit replace. You would come here, you'd pick a file off your computer, use, and then we'll delete this one. Just delete this, and then just move it up. This is just drag and drop. It's really easy. Okay. All right. So now, if we want to put, okay, that's the image. Here's a button. You want to put a button in. And to edit that, you just double click on it. And this will come up. And that'll be the font, the image size. It's easy. Let me see. Let me try something here. Just double click on it. I'm going to type something into the button. Okay, on some of these landing pages, I've seen where when you go to type in this button into the button, it won't let you. It's like the spacer will get stuck. So what'll happen is it'll look like this all jumbled up, and you won't be able to space this out. And I contacted GetResponse. It only happened to me in a couple of templates, and they said they didn't know what I was talking about. But the way to get around that, if that ever happens to you, is whatever you want to say, just type it in a notepad, and then copy it and paste it in here, and it'll go right through. That's like a little hack I figured out, a little workaround. So, okay. Then we go over here. If we want to change the button color, just click on this. I mean, we obviously want it to stand out more. Then you can just center it. So that's pretty easy. Okay, then you can also add, if you'd like, this is an image of a video, but you can also add an actual video. Just drag and drop it. And it's the same thing. You just click on it. So like I said, it's the same. You just double click on it. The difference is here you embed the video. So my dog always barking, but anyway, just embed the video. Just get the link for the video and hit embed. Then you'll have the video. So that's easy. So we'll delete that. Okay. You can add a timer if you'd like. Just drag and drop it. If you click on this, you can grab it and drag it up. So you can add some more. You can add custom code. You can also add some other things. Some of it's paid though. You can also add social media. So it's pretty cool, pretty easy to do. All right, here I'll show you the main one now for the landing page. Obviously, the main one obviously would be the form. So you can use a pop-up form or a static form. And if you get something like this, like you're trying to drag this and move this, and you get something in here like I just did, all you do is hit trash or go back and hit undo. Either way. Okay, so we'll get a static form and just grab it. Now we don't need this. We'll delete this. We'll delete because it comes with the built-in button, and you just gotta grab this. Kind of just click it and then hold your mouse down to drag. Okay. Alright, so now we'll just click on this, just double click. Okay, you can change the background color, which I usually do. I'll make it like a gray, like a light gray. Then it's easy to see, it kind of stands out. Then the sign up, the button, double click on it. Okay, then you can change that color. Go with something like whatever you want, but I'll just go with like a red because it's easy to see. So I think that looks good. That's your first name, email. You can also, if you just want the email, just click on this and delete this. And there you go. You just have your email. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, no. So there you go. Oh, didn't work. There you go. Okay, sometimes I guess you got to do it twice. Okay, but then it got rid of the button color, so we'll add that back in. No big deal. So this is all real easy to do. Just drag and drop. What you see is what you get as far as the typing. I mean, this is one of the more simpler ones I've used. And there you go. You got a basic landing page. Okay, guys, I'll show you how to do the background real quick. But like I mentioned before, I just log in because I have an account. But if you don't, you just go up here and sign up for free. But I'll just log in. Okay, I'll just show you real quick how to do the background, to change the background image on your landing page. It's real easy. You just click on somewhere on this image. I don't click here, but I make just outside of this, just anywhere in the image. Just double click on it. Okay, and then see where it says background image right here. Now I already have one, so let's get rid of this. Okay, so we'll hit OK. Okay, now there's no background image, but so we're just starting from the beginning. Just double click on it. Okay, so now you just go to image and click on it. Now you choose an image, just click on this. Okay, now you can click on anything that you have in your files, or you can go add a file. And if you don't have a background image, I'll show you where to get one. I guess you can get one right here. And they have free images. I've never even tried this. Let me see what they are. Okay, let's see what they have here. So you can use one of their images, and I'll show you another place to get images. Yeah, you can just go on here to Pixabay, and then just type in background. I just typed in background image. Just clicked on that. Yeah, and then just pick what you want. Like, say we want this one. There's zillions to pick from. So you just go through here and find something you like. And then this is totally free. I believe they have some paid ones up here, but these ones down here are all free. So just click on it. Then you go to free download. I think you can sign into your account, but I don't. But I don't think you can get the bigger one unless you sign in, but you can get up to this size here, which is fine. So just hit download. Hit the I'm not a robot. And download. And just save it somewhere. Okay, now that the image is saved on your computer and you're on your landing page, like I said, always click outside of these boxes because you don't want to go in here. So just go outside, double click it, go to image. Now you just click on this. There it goes, my dog's barking again. Just choose image. Every time I start recording, they start barking. And then we go to add files. Select a file from your computer. Okay, now wherever you put it, you just go find it. We'll see if I can do that. Okay, we'll put add. Okay. Now I added in just a few times, but just go to whatever image you want, and it's in here because we saved it into our files. So hit use, and then we put it into the landing page, and then hit OK, and that's it. That's how easy it is to set up to change your image on your landing page. And you can also double click on it, get rid of the image, and you can just pick a solid color. Like, let's say we wanted to pick like a grayish color, or just make it a little bit like an off, like a lighter gray. You can do that, say like that. So yeah, it's very, and just hit OK. It's very easy to change the background. That's how to edit it. That's how to edit your landing page with GetResponse. And that's pretty much everything on this side. And then the next thing you want to do that I'll show you is you can make a variant. This is variant A. You click on the plus and you can make a different landing page if you want to try something out. So like on this one, you could change the headline. You could get rid of this free. You could just do one thing, like get rid of this free download and see if one performs better than another. Or like say you want to try like getting rid of your name and just delete that. Then this would be the variant B. So we'll just use one. So get rid of that. Okay. Then the next thing you go to is your thank you page. And the way you edit that is the same way. Okay, I'm not going to dwell on the thank you page too much because this one is just about how to edit the landing page. But this is all the same. Just click on it. Same thing here. The download. My dog keeps barking. Sorry about that. But anyway, so yeah, it's easy to change anything in here. Here's how you change it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you haven't signed up already for GetResponse, I'll have a link below. And hopefully you learned how to edit a landing page on GetResponse. Like I said, it's very, very simple once you play with it. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. Make sure you save this. So just save it. And then also you can save and exit. You can also save it as a template. I'll just show you this though. And this will go back to your dashboard. Okay, and it'll be right down here. And then here's the URL right here. So this is what you'd want to share to get somebody to sign up for your landing page. And like I said, if hopefully you found this helpful, and if you like this, please like and subscribe. That way you can also, if you like it, you can also find it again if you want to use it for reference. You can find it in your liked videos. All right, take care, guys.